Hey everybody, hope you're having a great cleaning day, and today I'm going to clean my car with this car vacuum. Looking forward to putting it to the test. I'll do the open box to see what's in there. We'll go out to my car, clean it up, see how well it really does clean up, but it hasn't been cleaned up in over a week, so there's some good amount of debris there on the floor, and we'll see how this steps up and does it do the job. So let's get ahead and get this open. This is by ThisWorx. It is a DC 12-volt portable and powerful vacuum cleaner. All right, very simple box that it comes in. And let's get this opened real quick, see what's in there. And then it's a beautiful day outside, so glad I don't have to vacuum my car in this cold weather that we've had. So perfect day to do this. All right, so it does have a sticker, by the way. It says, authenticated product cannot be accepted as new if the seal is damaged, so that's good. All right, so let's see what we got here. So we got the hose extender. We have a brush, it looks like, that would be good to use a lot of times on a cloth material, but this would be good on the carpet. We have here the HEPA filter. It's a smaller HEPA filter, so that's good. You can just keep reusing them. We've got another piece. We've got that looks like an extender to get to reach into those hard areas. So we'll put that over here. Next up, let's see, before we take the vacuum out, we got a brush, probably to brush off the HEPA filter. Next up, let's see, we've got the vacuum. Let's take a peek. Well protected. There we go. Very nice looking. So it looks like there's an extra HEPA filter. So let's see. So you push this down, it looks like, and then in here is the HEPA filter. So that's very cool. It's got two filters. I have another one. I think it only came with one. And then this should just snap. It's got a little groove there. Just snaps right back in place. And then you got your simple on and off button. And it looks like a very nice long cord for plugging into your car. And let's see. Very cool. Next up, we've got this very nice little case to put it in. So cool. Let's see how if we can fit everything in there. Before I show you that, one last thing I did notice has the vacuum cleaner owner manual. Pretty self-explanatory, but you have that if you should need it. So very nice packaging. Let's see. Whoop. Let me go ahead and pick this up. Nice little protective case. So it doesn't, let's see, let me see if I can get everything in here. We got the hose. Let's see how well this looks like. I will be able to get everything in there. Check that out. And you can even fit that HEPA filter in there too. Although you probably would want to store that in a closet. But there you go, look at that. Very nice. Perfect. So let's go out to my car. We'll put it to the test, but a nice little package they've put together. Okay, so there we go. Not very loud, but yet powerful. Did a good job. I think it did better a job inside the car than in my trunk. I think the material that it's on is a little bit harder to clean. But nonetheless, it's a nice small vacuum. It's nice, got the case, and it does say this works for cars, and it does work. And what's nice is you got the different parts. Now, one of the things I did notice when I was taking the pieces off, so if I had this hose and it was in there, when I was pulling it out, it was pulling off the plastic pieces, and I think it's because I didn't have it on correctly when I pulled it off the first time. And what's nice then, when you're done, you could just pull out the filter, smack it off. You could dump out any of the excess dirt that you've picked up, and then you're good to go. So click on the link to get more information, read reviews, order it, but I'm very pleased with it, and I think it's a nice product and something that, you know, it's nice. You don't have to go to the car wash to vacuum out your car. Just pull it out from your trunk and vacuum up, and it looks nice and tidy clean. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.